Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you're watching. So today we'll be making some native soup and I have some ingredients that I would like to share with you. Here with me I have some prepared meat, which entails meat, ponmo, everything, kanda, cow skin or whatever you call it. I have some snail, I have some ngolo, that is water snail. Then I have my stockfish, dry fish, and every other kind of things that you can think of. And we have our dry pepper, Cameroon pepper and fresh pepper blended. We have our spice, salt, and crayfish with palm oil. So those are the ingredients we'll be using today for the recipe, native soup. And we also have one thing before I forget, Atama leaf. So that's the leaf available for me to use here. And from the start I've already prepped all my meats and I added them into the pot, turn off the heat, and decided steaming them again with the stock, mixed stock, and added all the fish with everything to it, the ones that seem so dry, though I've added them some warm water. So I try to put them so that they can cook and be softened to not too soft but to a normal, concentrated type. So the next thing, I allowed them to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes before I added my my jumbo crayfish or shrimps, okay. So and allowed that to cook again on low heat. Then I added the condiment, the thickener, which is the Ofor. Then I added some seasoning and tried to mix and stir for some minutes to see how they are all working together. So the next thing, allowed them to cook, and that's how everything pepper them to check them again. At the end, this is how the soup is looking, and it's looking nice and yummy. It tastes so delicious. You need to try this soup. And I'm blending it with a swallow called semovita. It's a lovely, everybody loves it. So I hope you will enjoy the meal, and let me know in my next video what you would like me to prepare. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.